Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Competitive Guru Suye. Let's discuss today's current affairs. Rajasthan Chief Minister approved Moksh Kalash Yojana 2020. First point is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot has approved the scheme called Moksh Kalash Yojana 2020 of Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation. The question which can be framed from this point are who approved the scheme, what is the name of the scheme which is approved by Ashok Gehlot. You need to remember the name of the state of which he is the chief minister. Second point is the purpose of this Moksha Kalash scheme is to allow two bus family members of the deceased to travel free to immerse the ashes of their beloved ones in the Ganges in Haridwar. Question which can be asked from this point is what is the purpose of the scheme? This is the only question which can be asked from the second point. Let's move on to the next current affair of today. MeitY and Niti Aayog to organize Race 2020. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Niti Aayog Artificial Intelligence AI will hold a summit to raise 2020 Responsible AI for Social Empowerment 2020 from 5 to 9 October 2020. So the questions which can be asked are who is organizing Race 2020, full form of MeitY, and the date from which date to till when this will be organized. Second point is race 2020 will be a global meeting to exchange ideas and outline a course to use AI for social change, inclusion and empowerment in areas such as healthcare, agriculture, education and smart mobility among users. So what will be the purpose of race 2020? What areas will be covered by race 20? These are the questions which can be asked from the second point. Let's move on to the third current affair of today. Assam government launches Chief Minister Rural Transport Acromany Scheme. First point is Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has launched the Chief Minister Rural Transport Acromany Scheme of the State Transport Department. So the questions are who launched the Chief Minister Rural Transport Akon Yojana and of his name and of which state he is the Chief Minister. Second point is under the scheme, light motor vehicle service will be started in all villages of the state to improve rural connectivity and general employment in villages. So, what will be the purpose of this yojana of this scheme? This will be the question from the second point. Third point is one vehicle will be provided to one beneficiary per village. How many vehicles will be provided to each beneficiary per village? This will be the question from the third point. Next current affair for today is National Webinar on Curriculum Reform and NCF and Pedagogy. A national First point is a national webinar on curriculum reforms and national curriculum framework and pedagogy was organized under the Teacher Festive initiative. So the question can be what is the topic of the webinar which was organized under the Teacher Festive initiative. Also under what initiative this webinar was organized. Second point, the webinar was organized to highlight the salient features of the new education policy that is NEP 2020. And the question which can be asked from this point is what what does the webinar highlighted? That is the salient features of the new education policy. The next current affair we have is IDFC First Bank launches contactless debit card facility. Its name is SafePay. IDBC First Bank will launch SafePay, a contactless debit card based payment facility. So, which bank? The question can be which bank launched SafePay? Uh, what will be the date? However, it's not launched yet, so it will be launched in future. So you will be informed of the date then. Which bank launched the SafePay? What is SafePay? That is, it is a contactless debit card payment facility. Second point, this payment facility will allow contactless debit card by turning a smartphone against a PSO terminal operated by near field communication, that is NFC. Remember the full form of NFC. What will this facility allow? So this was the question which can be asked from the second point. Let's move on to the next current affair of the day. Webinar on defense industry global outreach between India and Israel. A webinar was organized between India and Israel through the SIDM under the aegis of the Department of Defense Production under the Ministry of Defense. So, what was the topic of the uh, uh, webinar which was organized between India and Israel? When was it? When was it organized? These can be asked from the first point. Next, the theme of this webinar was Indian Defense Industry Global Outreach for Collaborative Partnership Webinar and Expo. That is Global Outreach for Indian Defense Industry for Cooperative Partnership Webinar and Expo. So, what was the theme of this webinar? You can read this in second point. Third is the webinar announced the formation of sub-working group on defense industrial cooperation between India and Israel with the main objective of technology transfer, co-development and co-production, artificial intelligence innovation and allied countries jointly have to export. What did the webinar announce also, and what was the main objective of it? So that's it for today. Consider hitting subscribe button if you found the video useful for you. Thank you for today.